Chahi ahum farakadawraba kuki narco terrorist singna maitai da landaraktuno thokliba irang asi ngasi fawba loisindana leiriba asi India Leingak Amadi Manipur gi governor na Sanariba Lila asi karamba dramano kari politics no haiba leibak miyam da Khanghangadabani makata na kuki singna lan chatharaklabadi Leingak Amadi kanagumba loop amataga compromise tawraroi miyam na thengnaragani haina yaripok maikai gi loop singna fongdorakli Maitai singna landarakpuda chenaba kuki terrorist sing cherak piu haina governor da memorandum ama sufficient krek handak torbung bangla fogak chawki maitai mitai ichilinau singna mayumda hanjinbada haukiba nimitki nimidang da kuki narco terrorist singna bom yawno nongmai kapsilaktuna landarakhiba adu keningdaba fongdokladuna ngasi Thobal district ki yairipo kaithel da miyam na wakat mifam chathakre Thobal khetru lekai dagi fanjakhong fawbagi apunba loop nongpok sayang apunba loop NS AL amasung yairipok maikai gi apun mamaira paibi sing na sinduna fam kiba wakat mi famaduda saruk yakibi all yairipok apun mamaira paibi loop ki secretary maibam matau leibina fongdora kibada chahi ani hena thokli birang asida lanjena duna relief camp ta sangza fam lauduna leirakiba singbu handak Leingak na mayum da hanjin hanba horaklaba matungda torbung banglada kuki sing na nahona na nongmai bom kapsinduna landarak pahaibasi aikoi miyamna yamna kana yaningdaba utuna ngasigi wakat mi famasi chathabani Hausuk Manipur da PR Lairabani Central Security Force na masing thingam dana lairaba matamasida kuki sing na maitai khulda landarakhiba sida karigumba thabak amata lokhataba si Central Leingak Amadi Manipur gi governor na kari yengduna lairibano Central Leingak Amadi Manipur gi governor na Sanariba Lila si karino karamba dramano amadi karamba politics no haibadu leibak miyam khangna sengdokadabani haiki
Why we are submitting the memorandum? Because we seek white paper from the government side. The recent attack done by the Kuki terrorists against those IDPs who are resettled in the Torbung area. And the surprise thing is that the CSO Kukizo Council, they justify the attack done by the terrorists. That means they openly support the Kuki terrorists. At the same time, again, the Kotu, another CSO from the Kuki group, made a head statement against the Maitai community that whoever is coming from the IDP side or try to resettle in the area, they will be killed or there will be bloodshed. In the Maitai law, it is said imunai anaba, that means bloodshed will be happen. So they are openly supporting the terrorist Kuki group. And why the government is quiet till now? So we want to seek a white paper from the government side.